Hey guys, Eric here, and we're back outside with the inflatable hot tub. Why do I enjoy this inflatable hot tub so much? It's not so much that it is a great hot tub, although I do believe it is a great hot tub. It's the value that you're getting for your money that I really enjoy. I have experience with above ground hot tubs as well as built-in hot tubs. Their maintenance, their installation, their build quality and stuff like that. Those can be very expensive. You can basically get a hot tub, as I'm sure a lot of you know, as expensive as you want it to be. And but it is hard to find a quality hot tub that is budget friendly. We are, or were, thinking about getting an above ground hot tub or a built-in hot tub here in our backyard. And but when we saw this at Costco, we thought, hey, you know, $300, why don't we get it, and then we can see how much we really use a hot tub in our backyard and use it as kind of like a trial, and it wouldn't be that much money. Now, as I've used it and as we've gotten used to it and maintained it and whatnot, I'm falling even more in love with this hot tub. It's just great value for your money. You're not wasting thousands of dollars. You still get the hot tub experience. You have air jets in here. They're not water jets that point directly at your back, but you know what? They're powerful enough that if you lean your back up against the side, the bubbles massage your back. Now, if you've got a particularly tough back, they may not massage your back quite as much, but they're good enough for me. And this hot tub does its job. It's very relaxing at the end of the day, and it relieves stress, and we just love using it. We use it very often. But that's not what I'm here to talk to you about today. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Intex portable hot tub accessory pack. So that's what we're going to do. Okay. So what you're looking at down here is what's included in the Intex portable hot tub accessory pack. This pack costs us $65. We purchased it online, and it comes with quite a few things, and it's actually really nice, we're finding. I wasn't sure of the quality or anything like that, and I wanted to, before I talked about it, I wanted to actually get some use out of it, and we've done that. So I'm going to show you guys what's included and how to use it and show you the quality. Okay, the first thing that it comes with is it comes with two inflatable head cushions or neck pillows. These are the things that had me questioning the quality quite a bit. I thought they would be really low quality from the pictures and whatnot, but they actually are really thick plastic. They're inflatable, and I've only inflated them one time. They haven't lost too much air or anything like that, and they actually work really well. Now, I will show you a couple things with these to keep in mind if you're going to use them. So let's grab one, and we'll come over here to the hot tub. What these do is they just go onto the side of the hot tub just like this, and that's it. And then you sit in the hot tub, you can rest your neck or your head on this, and it's soft and comfortable. Now, a couple things to know. I'm pretty short, so I would imagine that this hot tub in general maybe not quite as good for somebody that is really tall, but I'm pretty short, and if I sit on the floor of this hot tub, which is cushioned, by the way, and I've gotten that question a few times, it's not just like sitting on concrete, it is actually cushioned, and it's very comfortable to sit on. But because I'm short, I can actually just rest my head against the wall here, and since it's inflatable, it's actually pretty comfortable for me. But so if I use one of these pillows, and if I'm just sitting on the floor, it's actually less comfortable because it kind of presses my head forward and my chin into my chest. So I don't really like that. That's not a very comfortable place to sit in, but there's a solution for that, and it comes in the form of this kit. So we have the two pillows, which I showed you here. The next thing it comes with are these hot tub seats, and it comes with two of them. On the surface, these look like just plastic seats, And I thought, you know, the bottom of the hot tub is comfortable anyway. Why would I want plastic seats? But they're more than that. So they are weighted. They're pretty heavy, actually. They're weighted so they stay on the bottom of the hot tub. You don't have to worry about them floating up to the surface if your butt is not on them. So that part's great. They do, by default, they raise you about 3 inches. And what this does is, if I sit on one of those seats on the bottom of the hot tub, which is actually more comfortable than sitting directly on the bottom of the hot tub, even though that's still comfortable. If I do that, then this cushion measures up on me exactly where it's supposed to. And it's much more comfortable than resting my head directly on the side of the hot tub. What this also allows you to do is you can scoot the seat out from the wall, and you can actually recline. And you can stick your legs out if you're short like me. You can stick your legs out and you can recline a little bit in your hot tub, and that makes it just that much more relaxing. It's really nice. But there's also another cool feature about these seats, and I'll show you. They offer 2 heights. So this is the default height. It's about 3.5 inches, but you can fold out the bottom just like that. And then it'll raise you about, I don't know, 5-6 inches, maybe about 5.5 inches off the floor of the hot tub. This is good if you don't want to fully be submerged, if you're starting to get really hot, and you want some of your body outside of the hot tub. It's good. And it's nice to just be elevated a little bit. So those seats actually get really, really comfortable. We have friends that purchased one of these portable hot tubs basically on our recommendation, and recently, you know, they informed us that they used it one day, and it was about 11:30 or midnight or so, and they said they stayed in the hot tub until 5 in the morning, and they were just having great conversation and they lost track of time. But what they did say was the hot tub remained comfortable for that amount of time. Did they lose temperature? Yeah, of course. It was a really cold night. They did lose temperature, but they never lost enough that they were uncomfortable in the hot tub, and they just lost track of time. And they thought it was a beautiful and amazing experience. They thanked us for the recommendation of the hot tub, and yeah, it was great to hear. I'm glad they're enjoying their hot tub. Totally forgot that I should probably show you guys the seats inside the hot tub and that they stay on the bottom. So if we just take one of these, and we just put it there, it'll sink right to the bottom. You can move it around, seat it just like that. Let's put the other one in as well. Okay. There you go. And as you can see, they don't float up to the top, and they're perfectly comfortable. You can move them around the bottom of the hot tub, wherever you like, and it's a nice little place to sit and relax. Okay, the next thing I want to talk about is beverages. Not beverages directly, but oftentimes you're relaxing in a hot tub, you might want to have a beverage. Some wine, some other kind of beverage, a cocktail, something. Even just water. Keep yourself hydrated, whatnot. Some water while you're in the hot tub. Now, there's not really a good solution for this just with the hot tub by itself. As you can see, we have our filtration and pump unit here, and we've actually added this foldable table which fits nicely over the top of it. And we can rest our phones there, and we can rest our beverages there, and that's really nice. The pump unit does have, if you bring the control panel up, there's a rock in here. There's these 2 little spaces here. I believe these are cup holders. Do I know for sure? No. They look like cup holders, and they can be used effectively as cup holders, but so there is kind of that solution. It's not great because the pump unit is lower than the actual hot tub wall itself, and if you splash over the side, the water can get in your drink, and that's not great. You don't want to drink hot tub water. That sounds disgusting. Anyway, the last item that comes in this accessory kit is this little table right here. Now, this has 2 cup holders, and it's got a little tray where you can put your phone. Maybe you don't want your phone that close to the water, but you can put something else there. And it's got these 2 rubber feet that kind of fold out underneath. And what these do is they clamp onto the side of the hot tub, and I'll show you real quick. Just like that. They're spring loaded, so it actually becomes pretty stable, just like that. And it's level. It'll hold, you know, whatever you want there. It'll keep your drinks above the water, make it less likely that water will splash over into your drinks. So it's actually really nice. I thought the table, well, I thought all of these things wouldn't be of the best quality. I had never heard of Intex before, or Intex, sorry. Intex, I-N-T-E-X. Intex before, so I wasn't sure of their quality, but it's pretty good. I'm surprised by it. We do use all of the accessories, and they make our hot tub experience much more comfortable. And I think you're getting good value for your money. As I said, we spent $65 for this. You get the 2 weighted seats, you get the 2 inflatable pillows, and you get the table itself. The weighted seats feel very substantial. I don't want to say they weigh a lot, just enough to keep them on the floor of your hot tub, but they feel substantial because they are high quality. They don't feel like they're gonna break. They're not flimsy plastic or anything like that, and they will definitely hold you if you sit on it in the bottom of the hot tub. Anyways, that's what I've got for you guys today. The Intex the Intex inflatable portable hot tub accessory kit. You can purchase it online. I'll try to find a link for it. I believe we got it from Amazon. I'll try and find a link for it, and I'll post it in the description below in case you guys are interested. If you have any questions, please let me know. Feel free to follow and message me on Instagram, and the Instagram link is there in the description below as well. And I want to thank all of my subscribers. I appreciate you guys subscribing to the channel. I appreciate all the comments and questions I get. I love answering them and helping you guys out, not just with hot tub type questions, but any sort of questions about handyman work or anything like that. Feel free to let me know. I try to respond to all the comments and questions. If I don't get to one, feel free to message me, drop me a message. I'll get back to you. I love answering the questions, and I love that people are enjoying these videos. If you continue to enjoy these videos, hit that subscribe button. Even if you don't enjoy these videos, hit that subscribe button anyway. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, glad you guys are enjoying. Thank you for joining me for another problem solved.